Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a card in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app. And here it opens up in the boards, where we have our boards based on the workspaces that we have. From here we just have to tap on one that we want to edit. And here from the lists that we have, we just have to select the card. Then in the top right corner, we just tap on the three dots that we have. And then at the bottom we find delete. And we can delete the card just by tapping that. Like this. Then the app is going to ask us if we are sure for 100% that we want to delete it. And then we can just tap on delete and the card is going to just go away. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.